This is the moment in every video shoot. This is how you bring it to life. This is pure perfection. And this is RGKit Play, a motion control kit, but much more than a motion control kit. Move your design and camera with these motors and accessories. Control it all with your phone. Go round, back and forth. Almost fall, but don't. You name it. So whether you're an amateur or a pro, you could create these experiences in your studio, at your home, on your very own desk. To make this easy, here's what we did. There were too many wires, we took that out. A set of wireless modules and a phone app for every movement. Engineered the driver board to create motion stability. Bye-bye jitters. Designed loads of accessories for tons of movement with one motor. And this one here controls light, among other things. Interactivity, we added a sensor for that, so you can have access to an all-inclusive tool to bring your ideas to life.
The fusion between the hardware and the software seamlessly becomes part of your design process. So you just plug in the modules, and they automatically sense each other and connect to your phone wirelessly. On RGKit app, you can control all the modules with zero line of code. So here, you have two modes. Manual, where you can control all the modules in real time, and auto mode, when you can create a sequence of movement on the app. You can play around with the speed, acceleration, duration, and a lot more. And when you click play, the sequence starts automatically. To make RGKit Play even more versatile, we created RGKit Play accessories. All made of metal, CNC machined, laser cut with very high precision, and coated to give you this playful finish.
The possibilities are remarkable. In your stop motion, you can choreograph an entire sequence. Connect this to that, and finish before your deadline. And instead of your interactive concept only existing on paper, it can be in an actual exhibition. An actual exhibition. Sync your light, subject, and camera movement like a pro. Have full control over the movements and take a video like this.
We have been working with high-speed brands for the last couple of years. And this year, we decided to follow our dream of making RGKit Play accessible for all creative. We created hundreds of prototypes, iterations, wrote endless lines of code, worked with high-quality production factories, and we just need enough orders to start our first production batch. You can order yours now on Kickstarter and choose from different rewards. With your support, we can make this happen and open the doors for all creatives to play with movement like a pro.
This is RGKit Play.